Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Walrus Airdrop only, guys. So I guess I made a video about this one a few months back. Okay, so if you watch this video, this will be the part 2 video of like how you can mint their NFT now. So I'll show you guys step by step process how you can do that. And before we see about it, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and like this video and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel. In case if you haven't followed us here, make sure to follow us here also. And in case if you have done any transaction on the Jupiter swap and got any allocation, currently you'll be able to claim your reward. Just go there and check your allocation and claim your reward. And with that being said, I wanted to give quick update about one more coin. Okay, so this is CommonWealth crypto. So this is a groundbreaking cryptocurrency that redefines the investment landscape through community driven approach. It operates on a decentralized network secured by cryptography, offering a unique blend of early stage investment and dynamic NFT marketplace. This platform actually empowers retail investors by providing on all access paths to venture capital opportunities traditionally reserved for the elite. And the real world applications here is like one of the standout application of the CommonWealth is dynamic NFT technology, and this allows user to create trade non-fungible tokens that can change over time, adding layer of interactivity and value to digital assets. And furthermore, the CommonWealth emphasizes the financial planning and education, and it offers tools and resources such as retirement calculator, glossary of financial items, and comprehensive financial planning program. And these resources are designed to help the individual of all ages achieve their financial goals and making complex financial concepts more accessible. And upcoming launch is also there. Okay, CommonWealth is launching the bundles and investment product that combine the top 5 strongest tokens in the most popular categories in the crypto market and fully on-chain. These perpetual funds are designed to simplify and extend access to diversified portfolios and giving people freedom to invest whenever they want to invest without having to individually purchase multiple tokens in multiple transactions. Users can invest from $40 both with a wallet or directly with a credit card also. And before you do any sorts of investment, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is just a educational video only. So if you want to do any sorts of the activities like that, make sure to do your own research and take action. And many more cryptos will be available to purchase inside the platform. Okay, so ETC, ETH, BNB, Sol, XRP, Doge, SHIB, even Trump, everything is available inside this platform itself, like CommonWealth platform. The launch is expected to happen within 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so actually the benefits of bundle is diversified by distance, quick and easy access, less friction, actions required, and invest with credit card and no wallet required. That is also one more thing. And CommonWealth first priceless fund has generated a lot of buzz over 3 weeks using their in-house platform like Z-League, Glim, Galaxy. They have gained over literally 1.6 million missions have completed, and 6,000 plus registered app users have there, and over 13 million impression on X they got, and over 85k in profits in the distribution to the investors and all. Okay, and if you see their token, so you can go to the coin market cap. This is the WLTH token, their token. And their token utility, if you ask me, it reduces the platform fees and pays royalty transaction fees on the WLTH transaction, and participate in fund and protocol governance, fuel the community fund that powers the cutting the edge web3 projects and all, and people can even earn rewards for participating and learning and all. Okay, so actually it is already available in multiple exchange platform. Here you can see. So pretty much these are the overview about the project, about the CommonWealth, and fully decentralized, fully on-chain, and this is the way it was meant to be. Okay, and their backers here you can see, guys, the Analog, Asymmetry Finance, and Black Clouds, and Cookie, Diamond Swap, and Fairside. And here you can see Nibiru is also there, Neon is also there. So these are their backers, guys. So pretty much these are the things about the CommonWealth token overview, guys. So you can go and check this out. And with that being said, let's get into the video, guys. So about the Walrus Airdrop now, how are we going to mint the NFT? Okay, so you can click the link in the description. It will be available inside my Telegram channel, or else it will be available in the description. Just click on that link, it will take you here. The first thing what you need to do is you need to connect your SUI wallet address here. Okay, so guys, just click on your profile and click on the setting. It will take you here and scroll down, and here you will be able to find the SUI. Okay, So all you have to do is just click on the SUI, and then it will open up like this. You need to click on the SUI again. SUI wallet will pop up. We just need to click on connect. Okay, so once you click on connect, your SUI wallet will get connected here. So once it got connected, now what you gotta do is now you'll be able to claim the NFT here. Okay, so now again come back here, and the first thing we need to follow them on the Twitter. Just click on this one, it will take you to their Twitter account. Just go there and click on follow. Once you click on follow, no, so just again come back here, and then next thing we need to visit the website. Just click on that and click on continue access. It will take you to their website. After you visit there, just again come back here, and again we need to visit this one. Just click on continue to access. It will take you to another website. Just go there and visit there, and again come back, and the next thing is we need to have the role in their Discord. Okay, so just click on this one and go to their Walrus Discord account, join there. So just click on join, and you will be joined there. Reload or is refresh, then it will be done. Here you can see it got done. Okay, so like that it will happen, and on top also just do the recheck button. Click on the recheck button, everything will got the tick mark, and then you need to read this article. Just click on continue. It will take you to this platform again. So just visit the platform, and then again go back there and click on check. Even this will be done, and then now you need to take the quiz. Okay, so just click on the start. So once you click on the start, so first answer is A, and click on next. Second answer is C, and D, and B. Okay, so just click on submit, and it will be done. So finally, once you complete all the tasks in the below, you can see claim NFT will be shown there. So just click on this one and click on to participate in this quest, you need to bind your SUI account. Okay, so in order to bind, you need to come here, and I shown you in the beginning of the video. Now I'll show you now also how you can bind it. So just click on this one, and again click on SUI button, and once you click on SUI, SUI wallet will pop up, and then we click on sign. Fail to bind message. Okay, so guys, sometimes you might face this kind of error while connecting your wallet. So in that case, what you can do, you can use, like, I'm going to use my OKX wallet. Okay, so just click on SUI, and then you can click on this OKX SUI, and it will open up. Just click on connect, and then you can just click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, it will be done. Okay, so bind will be successfully done. So here you can see it got successfully done. So now what you need to do is, like, we need to go back there again. Okay, so now once you bind it successfully, what you have to do is just come back here and click on claim NFT. So guys, now you need to connect the wallet which you connected there. No, so again click on SUI. I connected my OKX SUI wallet. Okay, so I'm just going to connect the same wallet again, and now I'm going to click claim on NFT and click on approve. The transaction will happen and will be successfully able to claim the NFT. Okay, so just click on confirm, and the transaction is submitted, and it will be done. And here you can see it's done, and it will be available in your wallet. Okay, so the one thing you might face the problem is wallet connecting only, guys. So try to connect whichever wallet you are connecting there now in your profile. So the same wallet you need to again connect here in order to claim the NFT. Okay, so that's the only thing you gotta do. So try to claim this NFT, guys. It's first come first serve only, so make sure to claim this one. Pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. Hope you like this video. If you do, so click the like button. If there is any more update regarding this particular Walrus Airdrop, I'll be sharing it inside my Telegram channel. Make sure to follow us here, guys. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.